Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel of Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. Students, you have learned about factors and multiples. Also, how to find LCM. So students, now we will solve exercise 5. Okay, so see first question. List the first 10 multiples of the following numbers. Find the common multiples and write the LCM also. So let's solve first example. First is number is 2 and 3. So first we have to find multiples of 2. You have learned how to find multiples by multiplying 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here by multiplying 2 by 1 we get multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. We can generate more multiples. Next we will write here multiples of 3. Here also by multiplying 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So we get multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Now we have to find common multiples of 2 and 3. So see student, common multiples of 2 and 3 are first is 6, okay, next 12 and then 18, and among these the smallest multiple is 6. So LCM is 6. Now see next example 4 and 5. So first we have to find multiples of 4. Okay, so multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and so on. Means we can generate more multiples of 4. Next we have to find multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and so on. So here we can generate more multiples. Okay, now here we have to find now common multiples of 4 and 5. So see student, first common multiple is 20. First common multiple is 20 and second common multiple is 40. Okay, and we can here also we can generate more common multiples. Now smallest common multiple, or we can say lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So LCM is lowest common multiple or least common multiple. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So understood student how to find LCM of 4 and 5. Next example is 8 and 10. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. We get multiples of 8 are by multiplying 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. We can generate more multiples of 8. Now we can write here multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 we can get here by multiplying 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So we can generate more multiples of 10. Now we have to find common multiples of 8 and 10. So see student here, common multiples of 8 and 10 are, first common multiple is 40 and second common multiple of 8 and 10 is 80. Okay, so from that lowest common multiple is 40. So LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. Okay. Next example is 9 and 12. So first we will find multiples of 9. Multiples of 9 are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and multiples of 12 are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96. Okay, we can generate more multiples of 9 and 12. Now we will find common multiples of 9 and 12. So see student, the first common multiple of 9 and 12 is 36. And next one, second common multiple of 9 and 12 is 72. Now lowest common multiple is 36. So LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Next example is 3 and 9. So first we find multiples of 3. So by multiplying 3 by 1, 2, 3 and so on. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and so on. We can generate more multiple of 3. Multiples of 9 are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72 and so on. So we can generate more multiples of 9. Now we will find common multiples of 3 and 9. So first common multiple of 3 and 9 is 9. Second common multiple is 18. Third common multiple is 27. So here also we can generate more common multiples. Okay. The least common multiple of 3 and 9 is 9. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Next example is 10 and 20. So first we find multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and so on. We can generate more multiples of 10. In the same way, next we will find multiples of 20. Multiples of 20 are 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26s are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160 and so on. So here also we can generate more multiples of 20. Now we have to find common multiples of 10 and 20. The first common multiple of 10 and 20 is 20. Second common multiple is 40 and third common multiple is 60. So here also we can generate more common multiples. Now we have to find here lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple is 20. So LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. Next example, 15 and 20. So we find the first multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, and so on. Then we find multiples of 20. Multiples of 20 are 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26s are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, and so on. So here we find multiples of 15 and 20. Now we have to find common multiples of 15 and 20. So first common multiple of 15 and 20 is 60. Second common multiple of 15 and 20 is 120. Okay, now we have to find lowest common multiple of 15 and 20. So lowest common multiple of 15 and 20 is 60. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Okay. Next example is 15 and 18. So first we find multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, and so on. So here we get multiples of 15 by multiplying 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Means we can generate more multiples of 15. Now we will find multiples of 18. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, and so on. So here we get multiples of 18 by multiplying 18 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So here we can generate more multiples of 18. Now we have to find common multiples of 15 and 18. So common multiples of 15 and 18 are 90 and 180. Now we have to find common multiples of 15 and 18. So first common multiple is 90 and second common multiple is 180. Now we have to find least common multiple. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 90. Second question. List the multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Encircle the common multiples and then find the LCM. See students, first we have to find multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Then we have to encircle the common multiples and then we have to find the LCM. So let's see solution of this example. See, first we will find multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and so on. Here we can generate more multiples of 12. Now we will find multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, and so on. here also we can generate more multiples of 15. Now we have to find the common multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Okay, so first common multiple of 15, 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So we encircle them. So we encircle 60. Okay. Now second multiple of 12, 15 and 20 is 120. So we encircle 120. Now here we get common multiples of 12, 15 and 20 are 60, 120 and so on. Here we can generate more common multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Okay, now we have to find lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So we here LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 16. Understood student? How to find the LCM. Next question, question number 4, third, find the LCM of 14 and 21. So let's see solution of this example. First we have to find multiples of 14. Multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140 and so on. We can generate more multiples of 14. Okay, now we will find multiples of 21. Multiples of 21 are 21, 42, 63, 84, 105, 126, 147, 168 and so on. So we can generate more multiples of 21 also. Now we have to find common multiples of 14 and 21. So first common multiple of 14 and 21 is 42 and second common multiple of 14 and 21 is 84. Okay, here also we can generate more common multiples of 14 and 21. So lowest common multiple is 42. So LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. So understood student how to find the LCM of 14 and 21. Fourth question. The first common multiple of 6 and 15 is 30. The second common multiple of 6 and 15 is 60. Find the third, fourth and fifth common multiples of 6 and 15. Okay student, so now we will see its solution. See here student, you have seen how to find the LCM of given number. First we have to find multiples of given number, then common multiples and then LCM means least common multiple. But here given first common multiple and second common multiple and you have to find out third, fourth and fifth common multiple. Okay, so see student, now first common multiple, how to get it? So LCM means first common multiple. Okay, so first common multiple means we have to multiply here common multiple by 1. Here first common multiple is 30, so here we multiply 30 by 1 is equal to 30. Here it is given first common multiple. Also second common multiple, how to get is by multiplying 30 by 2 we get 60. So 60 is the second common multiple. Now here we have to find out third common multiple. Okay, so here we multiply 30 by 3 is equal to 90. So 90 is the third common multiple. Now we have to find out fourth common multiple. So we multiply 30 by 4, 120. So fourth common multiple is 120. Okay. And fifth common multiple, how to get? By multiplying 30 by 5. So 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 150. So students, if you observe, you understand that we get LCM means first common multiple by multiplying common multiple by 1. Second common multiple, how to get? By multiplying LCM by 2, we get second common multiple. Third common multiple, by multiplying LCM by 3, we get third common multiple. And then multiplying 30 by 4, we get fourth common multiple. And by multiplying 30 by 5, we get fifth common multiple. In this way, here we find third, fourth and fifth common multiple. So understood student? Here given first common multiple and second common multiple, and we find third, fourth and fifth common multiple.